Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best ring backdrop stand is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of equipment for any content creator looking to elevate their visuals, offering a professional and polished look to any video or photo shoot, ensuring your background is always on point and distraction-free, making it an indispensable tool for streamers, photographers, and videographers alike who demand quality and consistency in their productions. Number 5. LANGXUN 7.2-foot gold metal round balloon arch kit. Introducing our large 7.2-foot gold metal balloon arch. It creates a grand and eye-catching backdrop, perfect for any celebration. With 8 long curved tubes, setup is quick and simple. The seamless circular design ensures a stable and beautiful arch for your decorations. It comes with two 20 lb water bags for outdoor stability and accessories to help you create stunning balloon arrangements. Personalize it with balloons, flowers, or lights. This arch is perfect for indoor and outdoor events like weddings, baby showers, birthdays, and graduations. It's a reusable photo background for any occasion. Featuring an upgraded gold lacquer craft, it offers a brilliant, scratch-resistant metallic shine. This ensures it stays looking premium for repeated use. What we like. This one boasts the largest diameter at 7.2 feet, perfect for creating a truly grand statement. Its upgraded gold lacquer is brilliant and scratch-resistant, ensuring it looks stunning for many events. If you're aiming for maximum visual impact and a durable, premium finish, this is the arch for you. What people say. Easy to assemble, stays standing, looks great with balloons attached. It was easy to put together and was very lightweight, so is easy though bulky to move around once assembled. The gold frame is strong and elegant, and even after several uses, it hasn't chipped or bent. It's easy to put together and take apart, and I love that I can decorate it with balloons, flowers, or fabric depending on the event. Number 4. LANGXUN large metal round balloon arch, gold. Introducing our large round balloon arch, crafted from durable, corrosion-resistant iron in a stunning gold finish. It's designed for repeated use, offering an eco-friendly and space-saving decoration solution. Elevate your events with this trendy arch decoration. Personalize it with balloons, flowers, or lights to create a unique backdrop that will impress your guests. From birthdays and baby showers to weddings and holiday parties, this versatile arch is suitable for a wide range of occasions, both indoors and outdoors. You can reuse it for countless celebrations. Setting up your stunning arch is a breeze. It assembles quickly in minutes, and we include all the necessary accessories like balloon rings and tape strips to make decorating even easier. We are committed to providing the best customer service. If you encounter any quality issues or are unsatisfied with your purchase, please contact us for a hassle-free solution. What we like. This 6.6-foot option is made from durable, corrosion-resistant iron, making it a long-lasting and eco-friendly choice. It comes with helpful accessories like balloon rings and tape strips to simplify decoration. If you value reusability and ease of assembly for creating personalized backdrops, this is a solid pick. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and holds up well even with heavier backdrops. It was easy to set up and take down, which is great for portability. The adjustable height and width make it versatile for different photo shoot needs. Number 3. Efavormart 7.5-foot round gold metal wedding arch. Introducing our premium quality round metal arch, crafted from high-quality material for a lustrous finish. It's strong, sturdy, and elegantly shimmering, made with the utmost perfection. This arch will add imperial shimmer and surreal sophistication to your events. Its glimmering design is sure to inspire your guests and make your backdrop appear more tempting and delightful. Experience unmatchable class and elegance with this stunningly beautiful arch. Its shiny, clear premium quality and glistening design are sure to bedazzle everyone who sees it. Create unforgettable decorations in minutes with this multi-purpose arch. It's perfect for weddings, showers, parties, and holidays, whether indoors or outdoors. Assembly is straightforward with the included accessories. This metal stand has a strong pole circumference and thickness, ensuring stability with a holding capacity of 100 pounds. Standing at 7.5 foot tall with a diameter of 89.5 inches, this gold arch is made of durable metal. Please note, balloons and other accessories are not included. What we like. Standing at 7.5 foot tall, this arch offers a substantial presence and has an impressive 100 pounds weight capacity, meaning it can hold even the most elaborate balloon or floral arrangements. Its premium, shimmering material is designed to capture attention and add a touch of elegance. If you need a robust and visually striking centerpiece for an important event, this is the one to consider. What people say. The cost is worth it because of the sturdiness, quality, and the ability for the metal arch to support weight for decorations and ornaments. It was very easy to put together, I was able to do it alone. It stood well on a slightly windy day. It is very big and it will definitely make a statement in any event. Very easy to connect and disconnect. Number 2. Round backdrop stand, 7.2 foot gold circle arch. This backdrop stand is designed for maximum stability. It comes with water sandbags and T-shaped bases, ensuring it stays put indoors or outdoors. Setting up and taking down this arch stand is a breeze. No tools are needed, saving you time so you can focus on your event. Crafted from premium, rust-resistant iron, it's built to last and look beautiful. It can easily support heavy decorations for any occasion. Don't worry about the weather. Its sturdy design and included bases make it stable enough to handle outdoor events, even with wind. This versatile backdrop is ideal for weddings, birthdays, and baby showers. Its elegant gold finish makes every photo opportunity glamorous. Enjoy the convenience of a portable and easy-to-assemble wedding arch frame. It's designed for quick setup and storage. What we like. This 7.2 foot stand is built with durable, rust-free iron and comes with its own stability bags and T-shaped bases for excellent outdoor performance. Assembly is a breeze with no tools required, saving you time and effort. If you prioritize stability, especially for outdoor events, and a hassle-free setup, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The 7.2 is huge and perfect for pictures, it's big enough for more than 2 to 4 people to stand in front of and still have enough background for the pictures. The bars simply just click together. The height and size are nice to use as a backdrop. It can be used over and over again for all occasions, the simple gold would match with everything. This product arrived fast and in perfect shape. You never really know the quality until you get it, this is strong, durable, well made and fits together perfectly. Less than 5 minutes to set up. It's very large, 7.12 feet. Number 1. LANGXUN 9.5 foot metal circle balloon arch stand. Make any occasion unforgettable with this stunning metal arch. It's the perfect centerpiece for your next party or event, adding a touch of elegance and grandeur. This luxurious balloon arch kit is designed to meet all your party decoration needs. Create a romantic and beautiful atmosphere that your guests will love. Setting up your decorative arch is a breeze. It comes with clear instructions and useful accessories, allowing for quick and easy assembly in just minutes. Beyond balloons, let your creativity shine. Use flowers, greenery, or other elements to design a unique backdrop. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. From weddings and birthdays to baby showers and anniversaries, this gold circle arch is the ideal decoration. It's designed to enhance any special event. Crafted from durable iron in a beautiful gold finish, this 9.5 by 8 foot arch is built to impress. It's a stylish and sturdy addition to your event supplies. What we like. This is the largest option at a massive 9.5 feet, perfect for creating an unforgettable focal point. Its design is patent protected, offering a unique look. If you're looking to make the biggest impact and have ample space for creative decoration with flowers, greenery, or balloons, this extra large arch is ideal. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and holds up well. Easy to set up and take down. The adjustable height and width make it versatile for different backdrops. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.